Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in EA Sports FC26. So without wasting any time, let's follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, then right click on EA Sports FC26 and then select properties. This is just an example I am showing with the another game. Then go to the controller tab and here select enable Steam input and then launch EA Sports FC26 and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the properties, go to controller and this time select disable Steam input and then you can launch the game and check. This has helped many players to solve the issue. I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2. Press the Alt plus Enter keys. Try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller is working in EA Sports FC26 or not. Fix 3. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripheral such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controller or display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4. Check if controller is properly connected. Check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the problem. Fix 5. Use a wired controller as an alternative option. Maybe game have some bug or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and play the game as of now. Fix 6. Verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam and go to library, right click on EA Sports FC26 and select properties, then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 7. Restart Steam or restart PC. Now close the Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and launch the EA Sports FC26 game and then check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run launcher as an admin and then check. And the last solution is to update Windows. So click on Windows and go to settings. On the left click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available for your PC, then download and install them and then restart your PC once, and after your PC restarts, then you can launch the game and check if your controller problem is solved or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.